Fly Babies. Today is Thursday and we have a 3-layer cake. Today I'm here to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn to love yourself. That's why we follow the 3-layer cake. The first thing is our routines. Let's get up and do our morning routine. After the morning routine, we're going to put our children through their routines. Any little chores that need to be done are going to be done this morning. What do I mean by that? Okay, let's say that your child needs to feed the turtle, or somebody needs to collect eggs, those kind of things. Or someone needs to let the dog out, or someone needs to clean up the potty pad. That'll probably be you for your dog. Those kind of things. That's what we're going to do. Quickie things that have to happen first thing in the morning. After breakfast, we're going to start our day. So in our 3-layer cake, routines were first. The second thing is our basic weekly plan. On Thursdays, that's errand day. So if you're staying home, I want you to start your laundry now. Go through an inch of paper if you still have paper to go through. Remember that you're not processing this paper. You are simply separating it into throw away or shred, throw away or shred, action or filing. Action and filing go in your inbox. That's it. You're done. All right, and you can shred or throw away the other stuff. An inch, it's not a lot. Then you're going to go right into the errand day. So we're going to go grocery shopping. Take your list. You know what your budget is. If you have a hard time staying under budget, bring cash with you. Try to bring $1 home. Okay? So you know how much things cost because you pay attention and you buy groceries every single week. You can do a pretty good estimate. And as you're going through the store, I like to run a little subtotal in my head or on the paper. That was $1 over. Okay, but this was $1 under, so I'm even so far. Ooh, I've got $2 more because that was on sale, so I've got $2. So at the end, I might have $2 and say, ooh, I can afford to buy this little thing I wanted. Okay, that's how I do it. And I'm always $1 under at least, so I know you can do it too. All right, next is other errands. So go to the grocery store, then before you go, maybe go to the post office or buy your stamps right there at the grocery store. Did you need to stop by the library, by the store? You know, those kind of things are going to happen today. Groceries will be last. Then bring your groceries home, unload the car, put your groceries away. Yesterday morning, you cleaned the fridge, so today you can, because you emptied out all the junk, and I forgot to tell you yesterday to wipe little spots away, maybe put some new paper toweling in the drawers or whatever you use, so you can put your groceries in there. Maybe you want to prep some vegetables and fruits for the week. That's your option, okay? And that's it. Then if you're working at work, then you're going to order your groceries or set them up to be ordered to be delivered either today or on the weekend, or be picked up on the weekend, or maybe you just have to grocery shop on the weekend. But you have your menu ready to go, and you have your budget ready to go, and you have your plan ready to go. All right, now if you're at work, you're also going to be thinking about the delegating, the basic weekly home blessing hour. So far we've done the dusting, we've done the glass, we've done the, what else have we done? Garbage cans, did we do that? Let's do garbage cans today. So I may have skipped a day in telling you what to do, but garbage cans, or maybe they can mop, or maybe they can vacuum, it's your call. But you know the 5 things that are being done. You're going to do your own sheets on the weekend. That's it. All right. Dinner. Before dinner, when you get home from work, you're going to start the laundry, go through your inch of paper, and then you're going to start dinner. While dinner is simmering, you're going to be working in your zone 3, 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully you delegated weekly home blessing hour. If you don't have anyone to delegate to, then you're going to do that as well, another 10 minutes. You can certainly have your dinner hold 20 to 30 minutes. It won't hurt, or continue to cook or whatever. And then when you're done after dinner, everybody's going to come together and do the after dinner routine. After that, it's the before bed routine. That's it. Don't forget, we're going to do 3 clutter checks a day. First thing in the morning, right after everybody's gotten up and had their breakfast and done their morning routines. After school, or after at home homeschooling, or after you get home from work, and then right before bed. Clutter checks, again, are where you're checking for mindless clutter. Things that people laid down they didn't realize they did. That's how your house gets to be a mess. So you're checking for that for yourself and your family. You're also inspecting what you expect in regards to cleaning the kitchen, picking up their toys and things before bed, and also doing their before bed routine properly. And then the last thing you're going to do is do your before bed routine and the kids' before bed routine. Don't forget to run your dishwasher tonight. And that's it. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.